somebody asked me the other day, they said, what's your end goal? Do you want to be a millionaire trader? And
what's up, guys? I had to interrupt the video and I do apologize. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below, guys. God bless.
it's funny because I don't actually enjoy trading as much as I enjoy just the whole kind of community. Like, we had that meetup in New York. There was like 20 guys there. We were all just sitting around talking, having fun, and that was way more rewarding than any, this morning taking a trade on CNAT. I was like, there's no, I don't know, there's just no really reward from trading. It's just kind of like it is what it is. I think you get numb to it after a while as well. You start making money and then it's just like, money, But when you start building those connections with people and meeting people, that's like the real reward, helping somebody, or not even so much that I tell people, I'm not an expert by any means, but I think I've been places that a lot of people that are starting out trading have been. They're battling the same thing that maybe I was battling 6 months ago. So I think they can relate to me.
Yeah, exactly. Like, when you say that, I think it's very hard to come across an expert in this environment. Don't get me wrong, there is guys out there who do it. But like myself, far from an expert, 100% far from, and I'd never claim to be. But I think if you know a little bit more than the guy asking you the question, well, then you're valid, and then you're helping someone, which that's what I like about it too, is kind of helping people that when I'm just remembering back when I was struggling. So when I was struggling, it's like, you pick the brain of people, you kind of want to get close to these people to learn from them, and once somebody can teach you something, you'll always be grateful for that. And I love, if I can help somebody, give them advice and they learn something, I love that. Like that, that like you said, that's really rewarding thing in this environment that we're in. Because it's a tricky fucking environment. Like, it takes ages to become profitable. There's so much in it, and people think it's easy starting out, and I thought that too, but we'll get into all that later on. But it's one of those things, it's like a mountain, and if you can pull somebody up the mountain with you, it's always better than being on your own. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.